Alright, so first we gotta move the motor, all that good stuff, and just chill. Then we gotta throw Mercy up on the lift, and then change out all the stock parts with the aftermarket parts. And that should be the end of emissions for a while. Alright, so for all of you that are wondering, this is the Steady Go. It's got 3 different axis points. So right now it's trying to stabilize itself without a phone, so it's not really doing its thing, but basically you can control which way your phone goes, what angle, and how we want. This is what tilts it and all that, this little circle. But other than that, I think that's what we're going to start using for recording now.
Oh yeah.
So while you move all this, I'm going to go get some fountain drinks and stuff from the car wash, the gas station, and I'll be right back. Yo, what up, guys?
And then you turn the key to the on position,
Andrew.
turn the car on.
Is it electronic?
Yeah.
So the...
Oof.
Distance.
Yeah, Outlander got a little bit of clout in its life. Thanks, Nate. Clout gang. Wow. What Andrew missed. There's a perfectly good spot for him right there. Bummer. That photo. Oof. What?
I missed my toe.
Dude, is it even running? Runs solid.
Come on, Ryan. Let's throw a Sublevel imports banner on this bitch. World War III and Sublevel versus Envious. So, thanks to Anthony with the aboard. I have some new headers, so that's what we're changing out right now.
Thanks to me for breaking it.
Yeah, dude, this shit is so ridiculous. You have no idea. Nate, you make it look easy. But other than that, gasket is at O'Reilly's. We're gonna go grab that right now and we'll be right back. We love you, Tony. O'Reilly's. Here's some free, whatever that is, hand cleaner and my gasket. Nate, I love you. We have a big surprise coming with that. Sublevel imports looking good, boys. Today's a really big meet, so let's get her done. Cool. So they did a whole bunch of dumb shit like donuts all in Reed and shit like that.
Sure this is them?
Yeah.
Yes. So after doing the wing on the Beamer that RJ is friend of renting, I guess you can say, I come back to this.
Happy birthday!
It's not my birthday, bitch.
It is now.
Oof. I love how the color of our cars come out on camera. Oof. Red and blue?
You want to race a Beamer? White one?
We love you, Nate. So tomorrow morning you guys will find out what we're doing with this car. Nate's really sad. My neighbor. The goat. What's up, Justin? Say hi.
Yeah, but this shit is so comfy and so yeah, you don't care that like his car's loud or anything, do you? No, my
But that's Brian Nate's car, ladies and gentlemen.
So are you stoked?
Hell yeah. Don't worry, Rachel will forever be remembered. Sorry for my brother in the background, but my dad just bought Nate's car. Sorry for my fever blister. It's a little bit better than it was the last couple days. I'm still dirty from last night. I haven't taken a shower yet. My dad bought Nate's car. And 5 years from now, that'll become Brett's. And don't worry about that. I don't know why we still have our Christmas tree up. It's just That's a big old nut. Hell yeah!
No, no, it's not fast. It's fucking like garbage.
We didn't do it.
Slow shit. They come free.
Got money for Hank for some flight tags. His friends are all here. Oof.
Look at back.
Oh! She pretty! Oh fuck! Not the cup. I got you, Hank.
Jet bag.
Yeah. Dutch Bros. Hank.
Thank you.
Sublevel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Nate just got his new car. Here it is. And yes, although it's not an import, we're still gonna banner it because it's Nate. And he's an OG. It's boosted as fuck, boys. Oof.
You could beat Chris. I don't know. Once I have a downpipe and like the tune.